Hi everybody, today I'm going to be showing you this EasyWring microfiber mop refill base. So this comes with all these attachments. So these mop head accessory replacement sets are meant only for the 2-slot rinse clean. So these are great for any type of hardwood, sealed wood, tile, or laminate floors. As you can see, this is meant for any hardwood floors, tile, anything that would have a hard surface to it. This is what you're going to use. I actually have one separate just to do my walls and all my floorboards around my hard floors. So these mops are unbelievable. They're EasyWring mop heads, and this pack comes with its own handle, and all you do is screw it in just like so. So nice and easy to know that something like that can be done fast and easy. Right here goes on here, and you just screw it on like this here, and then you take this and it just actually fits. And once this is in, so this is one that I would use on my walls. Once you pull that out, they also give you one with a brush head. So a lot of the times after we have gatherings, I like to get down and scrub on certain spots in my kitchen floor. So this is great. I won't have to get on my hands and knees and do this anymore. So all you're gonna do here is fit it in just like so. And it's got little handles here to make the pop out even easier. So not only do you have your handle that you would put together, each piece screws on, and then as I showed you, this piece right here screws on as well. You get that handle, but you also get 4 microfiber dust mop heads. These mop heads can be washed and reused. I hope you liked my video.